refrain from all evil, practice virtue, cleanse the mind. This is the teaching of Buddha, Dhammapad 183. Abandoning all evil, entering the state of goodness, and purifying one's own mind by oneself. This is the teaching of the Buddha. Every evil never doing, and in wholesomeness increasing, and one's heart well purifying. This is the Buddha's teaching, Dhammapad 183. Sabba papasya akaranang kusalasya upasampada sasitta pariyadapanang etang buddhana sasanang. Dhammapad 183.